Hey little bugs, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be painting. I finally got the paint. We went to Home Depot yesterday and got the bear paint. Y'all could see it. And we got the color Silver Bullet. It's like this color right here. It's like a nice gray. So we're gonna paint it in here, which is gonna be junior room, and we're gonna paint it in the girls' room. So we gotta get all the stuff out of here so we can get the going. Hey guys, so today is Wednesday. So yeah, we painted this stuff yesterday. I didn't finish vlogging yesterday, but yeah, we painted the room, if you can see. Okay, stop acting stupid, camera. It annoys me. So yeah, okay. This is like a gray color. It looks so cute. It looks so pretty. This is for junior room. So we gotta do another coat because it's a lot of it's peeking through a little bit. We only did one coat. Where was it? Oh, like right here. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, now you can see it like right here. It's peeking through, so we do it. I get a dent in my wall. But yeah, we doing another coat on everything. My mother coming back home today, and then I'm about to start taping the girls' room. I can't wait to paint that door. I need to get some white paint so I can paint the fireplace and stuff as well. So yeah, this is the color for him. He's gonna have like a fire truck color, so red, gray, and blue in here. Cause he'd be like choo choo and choo choo was a train, but he always talking about and every time he hear the fire truck, he started. Did I do the sounds right? Cause I feel like I'm not doing the sounds right. Y'all know what sound I'm doing, but he likes the fire trucks. He does like the fire trucks for real. Cause he got a fire truck bike, so he like fire trucks. So yeah, I'm gonna do that to his room. Hopefully Target got some stuff. I want a nice rug in here, and I might have to keep my computer desk in here until I find some place else to put it. We have a lot of rooms, but I don't want to put it upstairs because I don't want to go all the way upstairs to go on the computer. So I'm gonna find a place somewhere downstairs to put it, on our first floor to put it. So yeah, then I bought toys in here and stuff. He probably gonna be looking at me crazy like, who's sleeping in here? I'm gonna be like, you sir, only you. You getting the hell out, Junior. So sorry. Bye bye. All right, so yeah, I'm about to start taping the girls' room because the hardest part really is the tape. Like, you got tape freaking everything. The painting is no problem. It's the taping. My goddamn hands was hurting yesterday. I'm like, goddamn tired of taping. So yeah, now we know to tape a day in advance so we can just start painting. So yeah, I'm about to start doing that because my mother not here yet. So, and the kids are eating. I'm about to watch TV until they take a shower or whatever. So, but yeah, I'm about to start taping their room. Let's go. Alright guys, so it's like, I think 3 days later from we did, and I told you we were about to do this room. Cause, you know, days was working out. But today is, what's today? Sunday. And I'm repainting the girls' room. We almost done. I'm just doing the second coat because I forgot to record for the first one. So, let go. Alright guys, the girls' rooms are done. It's gray now. It used to be like that little tan color. Yeah, it's gray. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me turn the light off. That don't make it no better, but it's a grayish color. It's their bed. But Melissa had a bed, but she broke it, so they both sleep in this one until I get them some bunk beds. Yeah, it was going straight like that, but yeah, I did it this way. I think it's better. And more room by the closet and the other place. And right here. So yeah, I'm gonna change some stuff. But right now, I just did it like this until I get their new stuff. There's their little Elsa doll. And then I'm gonna put up their little cupcake that they painted. They wanted to put it up there, but I didn't want any more nails in. So I'm gonna get them little sticky things. So I'm gonna put no holes in my wall. But yeah, that is how their room is looking. It's like a little plain right now, but we just painted it, so yeah. I know this thing like a week later. Well, no, we just painted their room yesterday, but I'm saying junior room. But yeah, I will do another video when I decorate their room and Junior's room. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.